Are you making these Airbnb hosting mistakes? I've seen new hosts repeatedly kill their occupancy by doing these seven things. And the worst part, most of them don't even know that Airbnb is punishing their listings. If you want more bookings without spending on ads, stay with me to avoid this. Hi, I'm Angela, Airbnb co-host and arbitrage specialist. I manage listings, fix broken calendars, and revive dead accounts for hosts. And trust me, these mistakes show up over and over again. Now let's get into it. Mistake number one, ignoring calendar gaps. Leaving random days open and untouched on your calendar is a silent killer. Airbnb loves active listings. If you are not adjusting prices for gap nights, 2 days here, 3 days there, the algorithm assumes your listing isn't competitive. Tips: turn on smart pricing or manually discount gap nights. A booked calendar boosts visibility more than a perfect price that never gets booked. Mistake number two, bad photos. Grainy photos, dark rooms, 5 pictures total. This alone can drop your conversion rate by 50%. Yes, scroll fast. If your photos don't stop their thumbs, they won't read your description. Tips: use bright lighting, wide angles, and show the experience, not just the bed. If you can't afford a pro, use bright lights and your phone properly. Photos sell before words do. Mistake number three, poor communication. Slow replies, lose money, period. Airbnb tracks response time, response rates, and consistency. I've seen hosts lose listings simply because they responded an hour late. Fix: use quick replies or automated messaging. Fast responses tells Airbnb that you are reliable and guess that you are professional. Mistake number four, overpricing or underpricing. Most new hosts think underpricing helps them grow. Wrong. Underpricing attracts problem guests and hurts your long term ranking. Overpricing scares everyone away. The fix: price competitively according to your market, your demand, and your season. You want consistent bookings, not desperate pricing. Mistake number five, hidden fees. Low nightly rates, and then boom, high cleaning fees at checkout. Guests hate surprises. They abandon bookings when final price feels dishonest. Fix: balance your nightly rates and fees. Transparency builds trust, and trust converts. Mistake number six, not vetting guests properly. Here's a big one: accepting everyone, then canceling last minute when you get nervous. Airbnb penalizes cancellations heavily. It can hurt your ranking and your superhost status. Fix: vet guests before accepting. Ask clarifying questions early. Never cancel unless it's truly unavoidable. Mistake number seven, incomplete host profile. No profile photo, no bio, no personality. Guests don't trust faceless hosts. Fix: add a friendly photo and a short bio. People book people, not just properties. So, did we catch your mistake? Drop a comment if you learned something new. Like this video if you are fixing this today. And subscribe for real Airbnb strategies that actually work.